In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to your inbox for managing email marketing campaigns and automation replies. We'll start inside your workspace. Open the inbox area. This is where your conversations, replies, and follow-ups will be centralized once the connection is live. So it's the right place to begin. From here, look for the option labeled Manage Sources. This is your control panel for bringing data and external tools into the inbox, and it's where you'll add the Mailchimp connection. Inside Manage Sources, find the item called Manage Email Marketing Campaign and Automation Replies. This is the integration that lets Inbox capture and organize replies that come from the campaigns and automations you run through Mailchimp. It helps you keep everything in one timeline, instead of jumping between tools. When you've found it, click Add. If you also see a button labeled Connect, ignore that for this setup and choose Add specifically. Add is the action that initializes the proper flow for this integration in the current version. Next, Mailchimp will prompt you to select the email address you want to use. Choose the sender address that's associated with your Mailchimp campaigns and automations. This ensures replies to your campaigns will be recognized and routed correctly back into your inbox. If you manage multiple domains or aliases, take a moment to confirm you've picked the exact address that sends your marketing emails. After selecting the address, you'll be asked to confirm or authorize the connection. You'll see an option to click Continue, or you might see a prompt to send a verification email. Continue confirms instantly when Mailchimp can verify your address on the spot. If verification is required, choose the option to send the verification email. Now, go to your email inbox for that address and open the verification message. Click the verification link inside. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a minute and check your spam or promotions folders just in case. Keep the original browser session open while you click the link so the authorization completes smoothly. Once you've clicked the link, return to Mailchimp. You should now see the status change to Connected. That status indicates the handshake is complete, and your inbox can start receiving replies from Mailchimp campaigns and automations. If the status doesn't update immediately, a quick refresh usually does the trick, and you can repeat the verification step if needed. That's it. You've successfully added the Mailchimp integration to your inbox, so your campaign and automation replies will flow into one place where your team can respond faster and track every conversation with confidence.